We're well into the month of June, and the second session of the year of the Human Rights Council is about to start. The 47th session will begin on June 21st and will continue for the next 4 weeks. There will be plenty of occasions to talk about gender, sexual orientation, gender identity and expression, and sex characteristics issues during this Human Rights Council, and ILGA World will be there for you as always. Our team will follow the session both online and in person. We will deliver statements, host side events together with other organizations, and make sure to continue raising the voices of LGBTI human rights defenders and communities at the United Nations.
The UN Independent Expert on Sexual Orientation and Gender Identity will present his latest report on gender issues. The report will address how states have adopted gender as a key concept in laws and policies aimed at protecting women and LGBT persons against violence and discrimination, and highlight how narratives seeking to eliminate this framework from international human rights law could impact progress achieved over the last 4 decades on gender equality.
Many other UN human rights experts will present their latest reports during the session, including the Working Group on Discrimination Against Women, the Special Rapporteur on Violence Against Women, on the right to health, adequate housing, on privacy, on education, on freedom of expression, and many more. We look forward to the interactive dialogues with them and to highlighting specific human rights situations of LGBTI people in these diverse spheres of life.
The June and July sessions of the Human Rights Council have historically been fora with many opportunities to engage with issues related to gender and sexual diversity. This is as well when the annual discussion on women's rights takes place. On this occasion, we will co-host a side event together with trans, LGBTI and women's organizations, addressing how the fight for SOGIESC human rights and the fight to advance feminist agendas are inextricably linked, and how crucial an inclusive and intersectional feminist LGBTI mobilization really is. Further, the first week will see a side event on violence against trans women, co-sponsored by more than 20 states, brought together by the US Permanent Mission, and co-organized by Trans Advocacy Week, JINSOJI, the Human Rights Campaign, and the Council for Global Equality.
Important resolutions will be negotiated during this session, such as the resolution on violence against women and girls, the resolution on civic space, on enjoyment of human rights on the internet, and the resolution on menstrual hygiene. We will be following these negotiations and making sure that member states hear how these issues affect our communities.
For the 5th year in a row, trans and gender diverse activists from all over the world will come together during the June-July session of the Human Rights Council to take part in the UN Trans Advocacy Week. This is a joint initiative of the Asia-Pacific Transgender Network, GATE, ILGA World, RFSL, and Transgender Europe, to support dozens of activists as they address trans persons' human rights at the United Nations, both in private meetings with human rights bodies and country missions and in a series of public events.
Throughout the 47th Human Rights Council, ILGA World will be there, looking out for our communities and making sure that our voices are heard. Follow us on social media for real-time updates and see you next time!